Hey guys, my name is Alessia. I am a representative of the Art Sport Plus team. We found it necessary to release a video with a drawing of a football player. Just the other day, we read several books about a world-class footballer, as well as watched individual matches with his game, and his story inspired us. At the end of the video, I will tell you a little about a famous football player. But now, relax, subscribe to our channel, and enjoy this wonderful video prepared by the Art Sport Plus team. So, the video is coming to an end, and I will tell you the interesting arguments of a famous football player. He was once asked about football. After thinking for a few seconds, he replied, "Football is my life, my greatest passion and pleasure. Every day we hear people complaining that they don't like their job, but work only to earn money. In my case, I thank God for giving me the opportunity to do what I love." If you have guessed who we are talking about, please write in the comments. In the near future, we will select a suitable photo to draw this football player and read interesting facts from his biography in order to release a video in the near future to draw this genius in the world of football. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you in the new videos.